Today's request is this one. Let's learn it. For step 1, bend your knees slightly, turn towards your right, and you're just going to take small 4 steps to the left and do this with your hands. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're going to step one leg at a time and go towards your right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull a rope from the right and jump to the right. Pull a rope from the left, jump to the left. You're going to shake your hips twice, turn to your right and bend. Okay, so from the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull to the right, pull to the left, then shake, shake, turn and bend. Step in place. So it's Achacho, Achacho, Achacho. Turn to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn towards center. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to turn to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump on your left leg and step out your right. And then shake your hips. So together it is 1, 2, 3. And rotate your hand once and twice. Goes. Step out your left leg. Rotate your hips to the left, hips to the right. Rotate your hands and pose. Once more. Achacho. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Turn and turn. Rotate your hips, rotate your hips, rotate your hands and pose.